So this is a divide. Divide and simplify. On the quiz, it didn't say state restrictions, but on the test it will. So that's why I put it up here, but you didn't have to say it on the quiz. So what was the first step in dividing the expressions? Yeah, flip and multiply, right? Dividing by a fraction is like multiplying by the reciprocal. So write it as the flip. And that'll be 4x squared minus 2x, x squared plus 5x plus 4 times, now we'll write the x squared plus 2x plus 1 in the numerator. Okay, and then factor. Yes, it could. I mean, could you have factored first and then flipped? Sure, no problem. How does this factor? Okay, there's a 2x in common. This is by far what caused the most trouble on this problem. People couldn't factor that. And some actually got the 2x as the greatest common factor, but then put in x minus 1 inside. But it's not x minus 1, it's 2x minus 1. Right? That's how this factors. Right? And the denominator? X plus 4 times x plus 1. Okay, times the numerator, x plus 1 times x plus 1 or x plus 1 squared. I'm going to write it like x plus 1, x plus 1. Easier for canceling. Okay. Yeah, yes, that's what I'm thinking. So now, where do we have to look for the zeros? Here, right? The zeros that we're interested now are negative 4, negative 1. That's another negative 1 because we have to look here, and 0. But I didn't write down the x. Okay, and we see where the 0 comes from? Right? Because of that x right there. Because if you put in a 0 there, that whole denominator would have been in 0. So 0 is the 0. Okay, and now we can cancel. And what cancels? X plus 1 cancels one of the x plus 1s, not both. 2x cancels 2x. And what's left is 2x minus 1 times x plus 1 over x plus 4. And our restrictions are that x not equal negative 4 0. Right. Now, a common mistake here on the quiz was that you were trying to find common denominators here, right? Remember, you don't find common denominators for multiplying and dividing. You find common denominators for adding and subtracting. So don't try to find common denominators in this case. You make it into kind of a mess, you know? All right.